So another thing that I really love to do with curly hair is find a way to pull it back without pulling all of it back, still letting a lot of the curls to shine. And one of our favorite ways to do it is by doing a rope braid from both sides that meets in the back. And it is so beautiful. It doesn't take very long, and it is by far one of our favorites. So again, we are just going to just love using our spray bottle. This is what prevents a lot of the frizz from happening. You don't want to really work with curly hair while it's super dry. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with just a little section right by her part, right up here. And when you are pulling hair to a section with curly hair, you don't really want to break up an entire curl. So sometimes the part's not going to be super straight. What are you doing? So I'm going to use some of the serum and just a teeny bit of it to put up here as we pull this hair back so that it all stays together and it doesn't frizz up. Now we're going to twist the hair towards her face. Then we're going to crisscross them. The back piece goes under the front piece. Then we're going to take another long section just like we did before. And we're going to start twisting it with that back piece. And the front piece, again, is going to go over that back piece. And again, we're going to take another long piece underneath. And we're going to twist it with that back piece. And the front piece is going to go over that back piece. So as we start getting down a little bit further, we're not going to go all the way down, so I'm just going to take one more small piece and then we're going to start working our way back. So as you can see here, like it comes down. Now we're going to start wanting to angle it back. So rather than taking like a flat piece right here, we're actually going to take from this piece right here. So I'll take from it just a teeny piece. And we're just twisting it in with that back piece again. And just like before, twisting that front piece over it. Then again, taking one of these back pieces, twisting it in with the back, and putting the front one over it. And at this point, you can decide if you want to continue to pull from this hair to add to it all the way to the middle back, or you can just twist these two pieces and then twist them together. And we're just going to take a clear elastic and put it around. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So on this side, again, I just spray it before, and then I'm going to take a little section. And because this is the smaller side of her part, it's just going to be a lot smaller. But we're still going to twist towards her face. And the front goes over that back piece. Then we'll add a little hair to that back piece and put the front piece over it. This is the exact same thing, only we're working with a lot less hair on this side. Now we're to the point that we can just twist it and twist them together. When these two meet in the middle, then you can take either another small elastic or a big elastic and tie them both together. And then we will just remove these other elastics. Then back here, because these pieces can get a little bit frizzy, I'm just gonna spray it with some of the leave-in conditioner. And we're gonna go with just a little bit of the serum and put it through the ends. And a little hairspray. And we typically will use a hairspray versus an aerosol hairspray just because it works a lot better with curls. It doesn't make them quite as sticky and they're still able to move. Ooh, ooh la la.